In the vast universe of finance, two stars burn bright: cryptocurrency and Forex. Their intersection? A potential goldmine. But how to navigate? Welcome to the 60-second journey into the financial cosmos. First, understand the terrain. Cryptocurrency, a digital asset, volatile yet rewarding. Forex, the exchange of global currencies, stable but demanding. Two distinct worlds with one common rule: informed decisions win. Now to the intersection. It's all about balance. The stability of Forex can offset the volatility of cryptocurrency. But remember, the greater the risk, the greater the reward. To navigate successfully, equip yourself with knowledge. Understand market trends, study historical data, keep a keen eye on global events. Diversify your portfolio to spread the risk. Above all, patience is the key. In the world of cryptocurrency and Forex, the intersection is not a crossroad of confusion, but a highway to profits. So buckle up, stay informed, and embrace the journey. Your 60 seconds are up, but the financial universe waits for no one. Navigate wisely.